Fried cheese balls with only 3 ingredients. To begin our recipe, let's grate mozzarella. We'll move it to a bowl. Add 1 egg and 3 tablespoons of cornstarch. Let's mix the ingredients. Guys, take this moment to leave me in the comments where you're watching us from. I would love to know how far our video got. When it's like this, the dough will get heavier, so we'll start mixing with our hands. This is how it needs to be. Then we'll shape the dough into little balls. This recipe is perfect for a snack in the afternoon. The kids love it. If you're enjoying this recipe, don't forget to like the video. That really helps our work. Let's put a lot of oil in a pot. Heat it and fry the cheese balls. When they're like this, we can take them out. Let's fry the rest. At the end of the video, leave me a grade from 1 to 10. It's very important for us to know what you think. I love this recipe because it's easy but incredibly delicious. And our recipe is ready. Look how amazing they are. Thank you so much for watching the video, guys. I hope you all enjoyed it. A big kiss and see you tomorrow. Bye bye!